Talk cleverly on the beat. Alright guys, we're finally in Medellín and I'm about to give you a room tour. I've had a long day. Our flight got delayed by like 2 hours, and so our ETA was supposed to be 9:10 and we didn't get here till 11. Crazy long day, okay? We're ready for my room tour. I'm at Casa Wynwood and it has this rustic old vibe, but I think it's really cute. So shall we begin? Let's go. Alright, welcome to mi casa, and this is the kitchen. Okay, really simple. It's like wine glasses, coffee making, microwave, all that over there. And this is that's my jacket on there. These are my shoes, and this is the bed. This is the closet. Has the towels and the robe in there. And then the other parts, that's the cute dining area, and this is like the living area. And so I'm about to show you guys my favorite part, which is, drum rolls please, where we have this nice tub. Okay, yeah, I'm thinking of what to do here. Let's actually go see it. Alright, so this is my favorite part of my room, my private tub. There's the towel, and there's like little soaps over there, and they have this really cute plant to give it life. Okay, so I don't know if this is where I'm gonna be on my birthday, just chilling. I don't know, but I really like it. I'm obsessed. Can't wait to content in here. You guys, it turns out we have the coolest surprise. Okay, we have a projector. Look at that. How cool is that? How cool is this, guys? This is the bathroom, which is right by the kitchen. I think that might be the only floor. Yeah, this is it, and this is the shower right here. Hand wash and stuff. See how tired I look, Jesus. And I have a really early start tomorrow, so this is the beginning of Medellín, guys. I can't believe we're starting tired. We're starting tired, okay? And my day begins at 10:30 tomorrow. Actually, my appointment is at 10:30 tomorrow, which means I have to leave here as early as 10 o'clock. I didn't do any glam before coming here because obviously glam is cheap over here. So we're gonna get glammed up tomorrow morning in preparations for my birthday, and I'm also gonna try to see what I can do after that. I do have an itinerary for my birthday, but you know how it can be. Things might turn out differently. Birthday itinerary: wake up in the morning, probably chill in the tub for like an hour, reflect, meditate, and then go out to brunch. From brunch, go down salsa, and from salsa, take myself out to dinner and probably party. You know, so that's the only thing I have planned for my birthday. And then the day after, I might go to Guatape and other touristy areas. Actually, I found this wellness thing that I might do, because my plan was actually to go to the spa midday, but I'm thinking I might do that whole healing thing, because the year has been such a crazy one. I don't mind doing every healing necessary in nature to just cleanse myself. Until I might also be doing that experience, but let's just see how it goes tomorrow. I'm thinking of getting my microblading done, nails, lashes. So this face you're seeing today is gonna be popping tomorrow, okay? All right, so I need to go take a shower right now and just get ready for bed because it's 12 a.m. Like I said, I have a really long day. So changed into my Casa Wynwood robe. My lips are dry, but I think I just want to do that first. And honestly, I'm super excited I came on this trip. You have to know me personally to know that God really answered my prayers. Every time I record, I have a few minutes left on my camera. It's frustrating. I can't believe this is 12 a.m. It's crazy. Alright, so I'm just gonna change into my PJs and call it a night. So we begin our movement tomorrow. Do you guys want to see my PJs? If you want to see my PJs, hold on, let me change real quick. Now in my PJs, I'm about to go to bed, so see y'all. Hey guys, it's 7 a.m. This is my second day in Medellín. I have a long day, so I want to go shoot my video in the tub. Just no more regular content stuff, but I thought to say good morning to you guys first. See, content life is not easy. I had to put on my robe already, so yeah, I need to go do my thing, and I'll see you guys when I'm getting ready to go out for my beauty appointment. I don't know, do you guys want to see behind the scenes? I feel like you see behind the scenes on my TikTok or Instagram because I don't really have a lot of space on my camera. So see you guys later. Alright guys, it's officially our first day in Medellín, and my face is obviously big because I'm about to go get my lashes and my brows done, and we're keeping it simple. I need to show you my full fit, just really simple. Let me go to the kitchen. I'm not sure if you see the full fit though, but here's me taking my life everywhere. You still can't see the full fit, but anyway, I have a set on. How do we do this? Hold on. Okay, so I have a two-piece set on. I have my sneakers. Yeah, let's go explore the beautiful city of Medellin. I'm already late. Actually, I'm late for brunch. I was gonna go have brunch first, but I couldn't figure out my water heater early on, so I won't be able to have brunch. I haven't eaten since yesterday. My appointment is in 30 minutes. It's just 10 minutes walk from me, luckily for me. So let's go to the city. Let's go climb up. All right, let's go. So we are here. All right, so I'm on to the next part, which is microblading my brows. Same salon, Lux Lashes in Medellin. Let's do this. Hopefully I don't look strange after, because I kind of feel like I look strange with my lashes. It's a little bit too full. It's not my typical style, but I like it. But yeah, we're on it. I love it. Like, love, okay? Like, love. Perfect. Learn something new every day. Almost birthday girl over here. See, my face looks different from what you saw this morning, okay? Even though I'm tired and hungry. You see my brows? Done, okay? Hey guys, so beauty's done. Period. I'm having chorizo dumplings as well as red wine, and I'm on the phone with my girls, okay? My big V's, okay? Recording? Yeah, I'm recording. I'm making a YouTube video. So this dumpling, chorizo dumpling, is actually really good. I was gonna go out to have dinner, but I'm too tired. I'm drinking, I'm chilling. My birthday in a few hours, okay? See y'all tomorrow. Mwah. Hey guys, so it's my birthday today, and I'm about to go have some breakfast before I head out to my mindful healing bath, okay? I'm wearing this cute dress I got from, where did I buy this dress from? I think I got it from Ross. Don't know if you can see it clearly. Hold on. But just follow me on my socials to see the rest of everything. I don't really have a lot of space on my memory card, but happy birthday to me. Mwah. You know what time it is. It's my birthday, and it's time for me to relax in my tub with my petals and my glass of wine. Happy birthday to me once more, okay? We have salsa and we still have dinner later today, so I'm super excited. See ya. Mwah. Hey y'all, so I'm ready to go out to dance salsa. How do I show you my full fit, for goodness sake? Please do not judge me. I iron my clothes, but ASOS, I don't understand what the issue is with them. But yeah, I'm ready to go dance. Follow me on my social media to see the full fit, okay? And on my dance, on my dinner. I don't have much space on my memory card, so I gotta go. But how do I look? How do I look? How do I look? And my dress is bigger now. So I don't know, I'm just going through a lot, bro. But a lot is over. It's a new beginning. And it's time to go dance. Bye. At some point, I need to stop my excuses about memory card. But today's the day I get to do tourist activities. And you're not coming with me. Okay, so if you don't already follow me on social media, please go follow me right now. Bare face, post birthday, glow, okay? I also want my leftovers from dinner before I head out because my Uber is taking forever and I just got back from Provenza. So I will see you guys much later. I'm guessing when I'm back in this. But follow me on socials to keep up with all my activities because I have a little bit of space on my phone. Does that make sense? Bye. Mwah.